Hello and namaste. Hope you all are happy and very healthy. So, I think more in these corona crisis, we have realized that we all need a peaceful, happy corner in our home to give us the sense of solace. This is my indoor garden, which is in my living room, and this gives a very comforting feeling. And it looks lovely and is actually an attraction to all the guests who are coming in. So, if you want to know the details, please stay tuned. If you have got this kind of corner in your home that you plan to convert into an indoor garden, just ensure that it has got some access to light. So, if there's a balcony nearby and it gets bright light, at least in the morning and evenings, then this is a suitable spot to keep some good indoor plant collections in some nice, beautiful ceramic pots. So, if you have that light, the place is good enough. Now, if you see this wall, it does not have any power connection because I plan to also fix up a fountain that adds on to a very beautiful element to the space. So, I have kept a extension cord over here, which I have bought from behind this shoe rack, and from the other end of the wall where there is a switchboard, we'll connect and provide the power supply. So we'll get started. We'll just place artificial grass over here. We'll place this one for the fountain. This is a clay made stand with the urli, so we'll place the fountain on that. It's a beautiful one, matches with the furniture, and let's just get back. So that's the placement. The grass, the wire behind that are hidden power. We have the Buddha fountain, which will be our focal point, that's connected to the power supply. On this I have also kept a diffuser. We could add some nice essential oil and that would smell just lovely when somebody enters your house. It also has some beautiful light that comes out of these holes. Place whichever are your favorite indoor plants that will do well in this kind of situation where there is limited light available, and try and keep small pots because indoor plants you'll always have to, in every 15 days we should keep them out in sun for some time so that they stay healthy. Try to keep similar color pots. Here overall I have taken a theme of green and white, so all the pots that we have kept are in white color. They are white ceramic pots, and the final touch will be through some pebbles. This is how we are arranging the pebbles. If you have bigger size pebbles, that would make your work easier, else you could do it one by one. This would take some time. So the pebbles are now at place. You could also decorate it with small nicks and knacks like this mushroom, small animals, whatever you like. Let me just switch the fountain and the diffuser on and show you how it looks in the evening. Now that's the final look. Hope you have liked it. This gurgling sound of water is actually a mental healer. It is so de-stressing. Also, as per few scientific studies, it leads to good sleep. All these nicks and knacks, they are nice to add. You can keep any toys that you love to display. Please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you so much for watching.